do all the supplements that we see on the store shelves, do they really help?
So it can help only up to the extent that, if it's a targeted supplementation. For example, if you're deficient in vitamin D or B12, then obviously you need to take those supplements, and they do work and your levels do go up and you do feel better if you take that. For example, if you are deficient in iron, no amount of natural food will bring the levels up, क्योंकि आप इतने deficient हो गए हो, तो आपको supplementation लेना पड़ेगा so that it brings the levels up. But at the end of the day, there is nothing that matches the real food that you're putting on the table.
But a bad gut will prevent the absorption of
yes,
nourishment,
yes,
right?
yes, absolutely. So, for example, if there are a lot of people who come to me with a lot of gut issues where they have IBS, or they have bloating, they have a lot of acidity, and then obviously they think that protein is very good for them. Obviously, because you need to, if they start exercising, they immediately shift to a very high protein diet. But if your gut is weak, which is what the body is telling you, because अगर आपको acidity है और आपको bloating है और आपको loose motions हो रहे हैं बार बार, या आप constipated हो, इसका मतलब आपका gut ठीक नहीं है. अगर gut ठीक नहीं है तो उसको पहले तो रिपेयर की ज़रूरत है. उसमें अगर आपने प्रोटीन डाल दिया बहुत ज़्यादा, जो कि heavy to digest है, तो you will get even more severe symptoms.